How to create Repl in Replit Quick and Easy 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to create Repls in Replit. Now, if you can't find the Repls, it's because they've now been changed to apps. So if we go to the left-hand sidebar and click on apps, we'll be brought to this screen. And all we need to do is click on create on the top right here if you want to create with the AI. And all that you need to do here is pretty much just have a conversation with AI. Describe exactly what you want to build and it will get it set up for you. Now, if you don't want to use the AI, what you can do is to go at the top left here where it says to import code or design. And here you can import code from a templates for GitHub, Lovable, Vercel, Figma. You have quite a few options here for templates or code. That is how you go about creating an app or a Repl in Replit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.